My name is Divya. My friend name is Kajal. We are studying in 9th standard KPS KR Puram School. I am here to present our project IoT based smart mushroom farming system. This innovation addresses a major challenge in mushroom cultivation, the difficulty of maintaining ideal environment conditions such as temperature, humidity, soil moisture and light intensity. Mushrooms are highly sensitive to these factors and manual monitoring often lead to crops damage and financial loss. In today's world where smart agriculturing is gaining importance, often a low-cost automated solution using IoT and sensor to protect crops and empower farming. Mushrooms are recovered trees control of environment conditions. However, farmers often rely on manual checks, which are time-consuming, inconsistent, and prone to error. In one real case, a farmer executed related to losing due to sudden change in temperature and moisture level. Without real-time monitoring, mushrooms can spoil quickly, leading to wasted effort and income. There is a clean needed of an affordable automated system that continuously monitors the farmer's environment and alert farmers before damaging occupants. Remaining my friend will explain.
Our system uses ESP32 microcontroller connect to DHT11 sensor for temperature and humidity, soil moisturizer sensor, LDR for light intensity, LCD display for local monitoring, Blink IoT platform for remote access. Sensor, this is temperature and humidity sensors, this is LDR sensors, this is display, light, here is a micro ESP32. If soil moisture increase 80 above, light will indicate green light. If temperature and humidity increase 30, then yellow light will indicate. In this room have LDR sensors, no light means darkness, so it's not indicate. If lightning indicate, if darkness is there. The ESP32 collect data from all sensors displaying on the LCD and sending into the blank apps. If any value will cross the safety threshold, then system triggers alert to warn the farmers instantly. No manual checking required.
This is Blink dashboard. In this Blink dashboard we created by using IoT. Wherever we are there, it will monitor and display here using sensor in our mobile phone. Wherever we are, the temperature, humidity, moisture, darkness will increase and decrease. It shows in the LCD display in this dashboard continuously.
System is programmed to continuously read sensors value, compare them to perfect limit image, displays live data on the LCDs, send real-time updates and alert to the farmer's mobile by and Blink IoT dashboard. The ensures timely actions and protect crops from environmental threats. Impact and relevance. Protect farmers' income by losing crops. Improve rulers' innovations with a portable smart farming.
IoT-based mushroom farming system is an practical, farmer-friendly innovation inspired by real challenges. It combines sensor technology, automation and ITO automated and IoT to maintain ideal growing conditions and reduce manual labor. Thank you.